Okay, guys, welcome to Overflowing Wealth. Here I teach you how to make good money online and making it easy. The easy way to make money online. That's what this channel is all about. Please do well to subscribe to this channel so that you can get to watch all the videos on this channel on how you can make money practically yourself. Nobody is trying to tell you I can make your $1 to become $1 million. No, not that. But practical step how you can make money on your own using, in fact, the resources you have around you, with you, not necessarily looking for a big capital somewhere, starting from where you are. That is what this channel is all about. So please do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video, then do comment below if you have any opinion, question, or you need clarification on any matter, or you need a step-by-step guide on any of the topic to be discussed. Now let's dive into it. Now I'm going to put it through and I'm going to tell you the business ideas you can start right now wherever you are. Either you are at home, in your local environment, online, everywhere. Businesses you can start right now. And I'm going to emphasize more on the ones you can start within your locality because people see the online kind of business as something that takes time, that require resources and the rest of them. But now, these ones you can start within your locality and with what you have. Now, the first thing I'm going to talk about is a computer training center. You can set up a computer training center and just gather people and teach them, and you make good money. As a matter of fact, this period, this is a lockdown period due to the pandemic. People are at home. People are not going to their offices. Students at home, not going to school. That's an opportunity for you to set up a computer training center, and you don't need to erect a building or rent an apartment at first to start with. You can start in your home. In fact, you can start in your room with just one laptop. You can schedule classes and teach people, how to use the computer. And you don't have to be a professional actually. You just need some basics. So take time to equip yourself to know some things about computer. Then you can teach people and you get money. So that's a good business. That's the number one, business I'm going to talk about. And the number two is a food stuff retail. You can get this time people are at home. Some people don't want to go out. Some people, but you can do that by delivering foodstuffs to people. Ask them. You get a basket of tomatoes, share it among people. Tell them in your neighborhood. Put it on your WhatsApp status, put it on your social media platforms, and tell people you sell, foodstuffs, rice, beans, all manner of vegetables. You will be so surprised that despite the fact that people don't go out, the only thing they must do is they must eat. And if there are people who relieve them of the stress of going to get it, of course, they will patronize you. And before you do it, you are making good money already. And another thing that you can do even at this time is pasting of posters. This time there are events, there are churches, there are political events. Election is always coming now and then. You can just inform people, put it on your WhatsApp status that you post poster. You can help them paste their posters all around and you get paid. You can just gather one or two people to join you, then you paste posters for them, you make good money. And when people know you to be rendering that service, you just be surprised how people will be chasing you all around to paste their posters for them. And another business is event planning. Please think of this. This is a big business. especially in Africans and other part of the world. As a matter of fact, people do that a lot, especially in 2020 now that there's lockdown. Every event has been put on hold. You can be so sure that the coming year will be so serious. Events will be coming here and there, all manner of wedding, burial services, baby shower, all manner of events will be coming up. So going into event planning, making their events worth the while, going all out to make them have a seamless, inch-free, event, of course, and that will generate you more money too. Please look into that. Another thing that business that you should think about and is blogging. Blogging is writing content that people need, especially now. People are home, they want to learn new things, they want to be informed about so many things because they can't even go out. So going into blogging at this point in time is going to be a huge business for you. Choose your niche, check what people will be interested in. Fashion, be it cosmetics, makeup, news about whatsoever you think. Your area of passion, what people need, just create a blog for them. Of course, and you begin to make money doing that. And another business you'll be thinking about is promoting companies. I talked about this in my previous video. Please do well to check it. Promoting companies. In your local environment, there are businesses who are not on social media, who are not selling on social media. You can be an intermediary. Go to them, tell them you can sell for them, you can help them advertise. Go to your social media platform, advertise all these things, put the price there. You can take from them at a particular price. You sell at a particular price on social media, and people will be willing to pay. Of course, you make your good money, and from there you roll and you expand from there. That's a good business to look into. And another business that you should, you know, consider going into is social media management. Like I said in the promoting companies, you'll be so surprised that most of these companies, most of these businesses, they don't have social media presence. So you can take that advantage and help them. And you see all these big, organizations, big companies. You see them; they have a strong social media presence, and you'll be surprised to know that people who are managing all these social media for them, they are not their staffs. It's outsourced. There are platforms where you can register. I talk about it. It's one of my videos, so you can do well to check them, like Fiverr, like Fiverr.com, like Upwork.com, like many of all these websites. You can register there and just tell people what you can do, and people will sure patronize you. Then you make your good money. So please do well to check all this in and see where you can harness and see where you can take opportunity and advantage of all these things, especially around you and especially with the resources you have already. With your smartphone, you are good to go. With your one laptop, you are good to go. All of these are businesses that you can start and you will thrive in, and they don't cost you much. Is they cost you little or nothing. So you just what you need is just to put yourself to them and make them work and be willing to do them. Please do well to comment in the comment section below. If you have any question and what you feel, let me know which. Just write it there. Which of these businesses do you wish to go into? Just write it there. Then I'll begin to help you expatiate on that area so that you can just start immediately. Just comment there. Just list your own business idea, the one you feel you want to go into. Then I will tell you how to further continue and make use of that opportunity. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and click the notification button so that I can notify you when I post another video so that you can make use of it. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay in overflowing wealth.